Bullish Bitcoin money, BCH, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $519.53 and $1,131.42 by 2030. Market experts accept BCH could reach $519.53 by 2025. Despite the fact that Bitcoin money is intended to be a more valuable cash, fans of digital currencies much of the time put resources into it. The coin's cost has the ordinary market unpredictability, yet many individuals accept its future will be more brilliant and will offer more noteworthy benefit in the next long stretches of time. What is Bitcoin money, BCH? Despite the fact that it isn't the most seasoned, Bitcoin money is one of the greatest and most popular forks of the digital currency. Not long before Bitcoin accomplished its past all-time high of $20,000 toward the finish of 2017, Bitcoin money was created. It extended the size of the blocks in the chain to empower more exchanges to rapidly be handled more. It's fascinating to take note of that the digital currency split into Bitcoin Money ABC and Bitcoin Money SV in November 2018. Satoshi Vision. This shows a readiness to keep Bitcoin and digital currencies overall advancing, but BCH's forking was fundamentally propelled by Bitcoin's 1 megabyte block size limitation. Since blocks couldn't oblige the expansion in size for exchanges, exchanges stacked up and hung tight for affirmation. Accordingly, Bitcoin Money proposed making blocks between 8 megabytes and 32 megabytes in size, considering the handling of additional exchanges per block. In a Bitcoin block, there are normally somewhere in the range of 1,000 and 1,500 exchanges. 25,000 exchanges for every block were recorded on the Bitcoin Money network during a pressure test in September 2018. The person behind this fork, Roger Ver, has been advancing the idea that Satoshi Nakamoto, who imagined Bitcoin, was liable for having a computerized money that could work under pressure. The adjustment of Bitcoin's block size, according to Ver and defenders of Bitcoin money, will make it feasible for clients to involve Bitcoin as a vehicle for customary exchanges and allow it an opportunity to contend with huge MasterCard handling organizations like Visa that charge over-the-top expenses to handle global exchanges. Bitcoin Money, BCH, Principal Investigation. For most of its presence, Bitcoin Money clutched the main 10 monetary standards by market cap, but it has of late lost that position. The cost of the cash doesn't come near that of Bitcoin, even at its pinnacle. Only a couple of days after Bitcoin outperformed $20,000, it simply figured out how to reach $3,643. All through its most memorable year, Bitcoin Money's cost changed fiercely, yet after the finish of 2018 and up until this point, the cost has been less unpredictable yet basically moving lower. In no less than 2 months of beginning its cost history in August 2017 at $573, Bitcoin Money has hit its untouched high. Following that $3,000 plus top, the cost of Bitcoin Money tumbled to a low of $77 per BCH, and toward the finish of 2020 it had imperceptibly bounced back to reach generally $350. Bitcoin Money, BCH, Specialized Examination. Cost likewise fell under another lower low after a negative breakout from the sideways channel, proving a downtrend. Closed the $100 support, it is oversold, RSI 30, proposing a potential section point for a swing exchange. There is a declining propensity on all time scales, including short, medium, and long haul. MACD line is over the MACD signal line, bullish, yet RSI is under 45, hence energy is blended, negative. The MACD histogram bars are diminishing, which could demonstrate a deficiency of force. Overall volume is level, implying that it vacillates similarly on unpredictable days. Subsequently, the harmony among purchaser and dealer interest and supply is accomplished. Backing into opposition, $100 is the nearest backing zone. $150, earlier help, is the nearest opposition zone, trailed by $200, $280, and $340. Bitcoin Money, BCH, current cost. Bitcoin Money is at present worth $115 and 45 cents. BCH has moved 2.51% as of now with an exchanging volume of $240,791,655. Bitcoin money is at present position 30 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $2,196,028,692. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2022. Bitcoin money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year, BCH. The BCH cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $173.18. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $161.63 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. BCH is supposed to have a base worth of $138.54. Bitcoin money, BCH, value forecast 2023. In 2023, Bitcoin money BCH cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of BCH will before long outperform $288.63. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the BCH's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, BCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $230.90 and a typical exchanging cost of $253.99. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $404.08 and BCH might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. BCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $369.44 and a low of $346.35 in 2024. Bitcoin money, BCH, value forecast 2025. Assuming that Bitcoin money effectively supports market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the BCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BCH will be green in 2025. The BCH is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $519.53, with a base cost of $461.